Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Persian in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this very versatile Rifter. So this car comes with 16-inch alloy wheels, sliding side doors and reverse parking sensors. Inside the car you've got the touchscreen that features DAB digital radio as well as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. And on top of this you get air conditioning, automatic headlights, wipers, cruise control and also speed limit recognition. So let's have a look around. It's got the 1.5 litre Blue HDI engine that gives you 130 horsepower. There's a 6-speed manual gearbox. The car's done under 500 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Persian in Taunton.